Hello everyone. Now we will learn Chapter 5, Digital Content Creation. Contents of Chapter 5 include 5.1 Principles and Tools for Creating Digital Content, 5.2 Document Development and Management, 5.3 Applying AI in Content Creation, 5.4 Copyright and Intellectual Property in Digital Content Creation, 5.5 Practice of Digital Content Creation. Chapter 5.1 Principles and Tools for Digital Content Creation. Content is understood as all the information, ideas, and messages created by humans and conveyed through a particular medium. Content can exist in many different forms: speech, text, images, music, symbols, or expressive behavior. In communication, content is the soul that determines the connection between the creator and the recipient. Digital content is content that has been digitized, meaning it is represented, stored, and distributed through digital technology infrastructures. It includes digital text, ebooks, blogs, digital images, infographics, memes, digital audio, podcasts, online music, video, YouTube, TikTok, and interactive content, games, AR/VR. A distinctive feature of digital content is its unlimited reproducibility, rapid distribution, and flexible customization across various platforms. Classification of digital content forms. In today's digital age, we interact daily with countless forms of digital content. To facilitate easy management, utilization, and creation, digital content is often classified by its mode of expression. Today, I'd like to share the 4 most basic and common forms. 1. Text. This is the oldest and most accessible form of content. Text includes articles, blogs, ebooks, social media posts, or learning materials. The strength of text is its conciseness, ease of searching, and simple storage. For example, when we read an article on VN Express or a study note on Google Docs, that is digital content in the form of text. 2. Image. Images have the power to convey information faster than text and leave a strong impression. An advertising poster, a travel photo on Instagram, or an illustrative chart in a lecture, all are digital content in the form of an image. The strength of images is that they are visual, easy to remember, and simple to share across digital platforms. 3. Audio. Audio content includes digital music, podcasts, audiobooks, or recorded interviews. The advantage of this format is that it provides an intimate listening experience and allows for multitasking. For instance, many students listen to English learning podcasts while exercising. This is a typical application of digital content in the form of audio. 4. Video. Finally, video is the format that synthesizes text, images, and audio, giving it the strongest appeal today. From educational videos on YouTube, entertainment clips on TikTok, to movies streamed on Netflix, all are digital content in the form of a video. The prominent feature of video is its ability to tell stories, inspire, and engage viewers strongly. Thus, when classified by form, digital content can be divided into 4 main groups: text, image, audio, and video. Each form has its own advantages and is suitable for specific information delivery goals. Learners and content creators need to clearly understand these forms to choose the most appropriate one for effectively conveying their message in today's digital world. In the digital world, content differs not only in form but is also classified according to the goal it aims to achieve. Understanding the goal helps us select, produce, and use digital content more effectively. There are 4 main goals. 1. Informational content. The main goal of this type of content is to provide facts, data, and knowledge to the reader, listener, or viewer. For example, news reports, research papers, or scientific documents all fall into this category. Informational content helps us update our knowledge and make decisions based on accurate data. 2. Entertainment content. This content aims to create enjoyment, relaxation, and excitement. Examples include music videos, films, online games, or humorous clips on TikTok. This is the fastest growing segment on the internet because the need for entertainment is ever present in human life. 3. Educational content. The goal is to impart knowledge and develop skills for the learner. Examples include online courses, e-learning lectures, instructional videos, or digital study materials. Especially in the context of digital transformation, educational content is becoming a vital resource for lifelong learning. 4. Promotional and marketing content. This group focuses on persuasion, promoting products, services, or brands. Examples are online advertising campaigns, PR articles on online newspapers, or marketing content on social media. A unique aspect is that this content often combines multiple elements. It can be informative and entertaining, but the ultimate goal remains to attract and retain customers. Thus, we have just explored the 4 groups of digital content based on their goals: informational, entertainment, educational, and promotional/marketing. It is clear that the main goal is the destination of the digital content. It determines what the content wants to convey and what value it offers to the user. In the previous section, we saw that digital content can be classified by its goal: informational, entertainment, educational, or promotional/marketing. But for content to be effective, an equally crucial factor is the platform on which it is distributed. Simply put, a platform is the home that houses the content and delivers it to users. Depending on the specific nature of each platform, content will be presented and consumed in different ways. We can divide them into 5 basic groups. 1. Social media platforms. This is where content spreads the fastest, such as Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, or X, Twitter. Content here is typically short, visual, and highly shareable, aiming to generate strong interaction. 2. Website platforms. Websites are the central location for articles, news, blogs, or an organization's official data repositories. Their strength lies in stability, ease of searching, and they are often optimized for search engines, SEO, to reach users. 3. Mobile applications. Apps can be social media, games, e-commerce, or learning applications. The advantage is the personalization of the experience and direct connection to users' daily needs, such as Shopee, Duolingo, or Spotify. 4. E-learning platforms. This is where digital courses, instructional videos, and study materials are systematically organized. Examples include Coursera, edX, or K-12 Online. The content here is usually designed to be in-depth and structured to serve long-term educational goals. 5. Other digital media platforms. This includes online radio channels, digital television, podcasts, or streaming services like Netflix and YouTube. We clearly see a mix of forms: audio, video, and even direct interaction with users. Thus, when classified by platform, digital content can exist in many different spaces, from social media, websites, mobile applications, to e-learning and digital media platforms. Understanding the characteristics of each platform helps us choose the right place and the right method to spread our message most effectively. In the next section, we will examine another aspect: content classification by lifecycle, to better understand how users participate in and respond to digital content. When discussing digital content, we often think about its form, goal, or platform. However, another important classification method is based on the content lifecycle, that is, considering its origin and how it is developed. Following this approach, we can divide digital content into 3 main types. 1. Original content. This refers to entirely new content created from the unique ideas of an author or organization. It carries a distinct identity and often holds high value in terms of academia, creativity, or branding. Examples include a newly published scientific research paper or an original video conceived and produced by a content creator. 2. Curated/repurposed content. This type of content is selected, edited, or reused from existing sources. It helps save time and effort and extends the life cycle of older content. Examples include a news summary compiled from various news outlets, or the act of transforming a single webinar into a series of blog posts. 3. User-generated content, UGC. This content comes directly from the user community itself and is often authentic and relatable. UGC has a powerful reach because it generates trust and connection. Examples include product reviews on Amazon or TikTok videos spontaneously filmed and shared by users.